Welcome back to Doomsday-Prepper, your go-to source for survival strategies, prepping tips, and the latest gear reviews. Today, we're exploring one of the most valuable tools any prepper can have in their arsenal, the DJI Mini 2 Recon drone. Whether you're out in the wilderness or in an urban environment, this lightweight drone offers unmatched scouting and recon capabilities to keep you informed and ahead of the game. At under 249 grams, the DJI Mini 2 is incredibly portable and doesn't require FAA registration for recreational use. It's perfect for those long hikes, bug-out situations, or even just monitoring your property. With up to 31 minutes of flight time and a 10-kilometer transmission range, this drone gives you the ability to scout from afar without putting yourself at risk. The DJI Mini 2 excels at long-range recon, and its wind resistance up to 38 kp ensures stability even in tough weather conditions. This drone can help you find vital resources like water or track wildlife for food while keeping you out of harm's way. Equipped with the easy-to-use DJI Fly app, the drone can create professional-level videos with just a few taps, allowing you to scout or document your surroundings quickly. And don't forget the Return to Home function, which ensures the drone safely returns to you with a single button, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned preppers. For urban preppers, the DJI Mini 2 is an invaluable tool for monitoring threats or finding safe paths out of the city. Its long-range capabilities and maneuverability make it perfect for scouting from a distance, whether you're looking for safe zones or avoiding dangerous areas. Whether you're bugging out or bugging in, the DJI Mini 2 helps you stay informed, giving you the tactical advantage you need in any survival scenario. It's reliable, easy to use, and the perfect addition to your prepping gear. Thanks for joining us on Doomsday-Prepper. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments how you'd use the DJI Mini 2 in your prepping plan. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date on more essential survival tips and gear reviews. Stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.